In this video, I will show you how to cancel Spotify Premium. So to cancel Spotify Premium, it's very easy to do, and you can cancel this at any point. You're not sort of tied in for a certain amount of months or anything like that. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you'll need to do is first come across to spotify.com, and you want to go ahead and log into your account. From here, quite simply just go to your account at the top right hand corner and give this a click to bring down a menu that looks like this. And then from here, you just want to click onto account, and that's going to take you across to a page that looks like this. So just to note that you can only cancel this via the web-based version, so you do actually need to go onto the Spotify website and click onto account to be taken to the page like this where you can cancel your subscription. So all you need to do from here is simply scroll down until you get to the part which says about your plan. And you'll see at the moment it says trial Spotify Premium because I got a 1 month trial of Spotify Premium. So you can cancel this, of course, as I say, at any point. You can cancel it during the free trial period, which is absolutely fine. And what will happen is you'll have Spotify Premium up until your next billing date, and it will therefore be cancelled and you will not be charged. And of course no longer have access to Spotify Premium. So all you need to do from here is scroll down slightly and you'll see the change plan box down here. If you go and give that a click, it's going to take you across to a page that's going to look like this. And then from here, all you need to do is just scroll down all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the Spotify free option. So all you need to do, as it says, is switching to free will cancel your premium plan. And of course you will lose the benefits of premium. So all you need to do is click the cancel premium button down here. And what's going to happen, it's going to tell you how much longer you have access to premium. So what will normally happen is you'll have access until the end of your billing period. So when you're next due to be billed, it will then revert to the free version of Spotify. So if you want to go ahead and change this still, obviously it gives you what's going to happen when you go back to the free version. So for example, you can only skip 6 times an hour. Obviously you get the ads and things like that on the free version. And all you want to do is click the black cancel premium button down here. And what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a confirmation saying that you've cancelled Spotify Premium. And it's going to tell you when your subscription will end. So because I took out a trial period, you can see the 7th of June is today's date, and this is going to end on the 7th of July. So even though I've cancelled it today, I'm still going to get access until the end of the billing period when I'm next due to be billed. And then what will happen is Spotify will go back to the free version. They are going to ask you for feedback. This is completely optional, and if you don't want to put anything or you can't see a reason there, you can just click the other button down here and then just put some notes in if you want to. This is just feedback for Spotify, and they can ask you how likely you are to subscribe again. So again, you can do this, but this is completely optional. If you don't want to do any of this, just go ahead and click the skip button down here, and you don't have to worry about doing that. And what's going to happen, they're going to bring up a playlist. Don't worry about this. This is just like a little thing they do because you've left the premium subscription. And all you want to do is click onto back to account, and you'll see that what's going to happen is my premium will be cancelled. So you can see it now says cancelled above Spotify Premium, and it says your plan will change to Spotify Free on the 7th of July. So make sure you check this as well, just to ensure that Premium has been cancelled successfully. And that's how you go ahead and cancel your subscription. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to drop a like on the video. And if you're looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for Spotify, then make sure you click the on-screen pop-up, and that's going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.